Lesson 3. Why investments were inaccessible to most people. In traditional financial systems, many investments require significant capital. Real estate, private funds, venture investments, and many other opportunities often have high minimum entry thresholds. This means that participation is limited to institutions or wealthy investors. There are several reasons for this structure. First, many investments require large amounts of capital to begin with. Second, traditional systems rely heavily on paperwork, legal processes, and manual decisions. These processes are expensive and complex. As a result, access to many investments is restricted. Sometimes the minimum investment may be tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. In other cases, participation may require accreditation or special legal status. For most people, this creates a simple reality. They can save money, but they cannot easily participate in many forms of investment. In simple words, the traditional financial system was designed primarily for institutions and large investors. In the next lesson, we will explain what blockchain actually is and why it changes how records can be stored and verified.